Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do unbox the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And guys, this is a new budget phone from Infinix which is costing around 17,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, and this is a budget phone from Infinix which gave you a MediaTek Helio G25 chipset. And also we have a 32 GB of internal storage. And guys, on the back we have some more specification about the phone. And you can see we have a 32 GB of internal storage with the 2 GB of RAM. And also on the front we have a 6.8 inch 720p IPS LCD display as well. And also we have a 6000 mAh of battery size, which is really huge. And also this phone, it is running on Android 10. And guys, this is a Go Edition version of Android 10. On the back we get dual cameras, and you can see. So now let's quickly remove the plastic first. And you can see here is the box of the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And guys, also on the color I have the green color. So now let's quickly remove this seal. And now let's quickly open this box. And you can see guys, on the front we get a 1-year warranty card, because this phone, it is officially launched in the Pakistan market. And here is the device, Infinix Hot 10. On the front we have a 6.8 inch display. And guys, this phone does not feel very heavy. You can hold this phone very easily, but this phone gives you a 6000 mAh of battery size. And also we have a 13 megapixel rear camera, and also we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera as well. And now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And you can see guys, inside of this box we get a charging brick as well as a cable. And guys, we get a micro USB cable with the Infinix Hot 10. And you can see it is a micro USB cable. And also we get this charging adapter. And the ampere rating on this adapter, it is a 5 volt with a 2 ampere. And this charger is gonna charge your phone maximum at 10 watt. We don't get fast charging with the Infinix Hot 10. And guys, we have this XPAR thing. We also get a SIM injection tool with the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And you can see that we also get a screen protector with the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And also, it says that welcome to join club. And we also get a silicone case with the Infinix Hot 10, and it is a hard silicone case with the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And you can see on the left side as well as the right side, it is open. So now let's put all these things inside the box. Here is the Infinix Hot 10 Play. And guys, now let's quickly remove this plastic. And here is the design language of the Infinix Hot 10. And the first impression about the design language of this phone, it is really beautiful and unique as well. On the back we get dual cameras, and you can see. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we get this headphone jack, micro USB port, main microphone. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone as well. And guys, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. And also we have this rubber inside the SIM tray. So that's really good as well. On the top we get nothing. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, and you can see. And also we have a fingerprint scanner on the back. And guys, here is the display of the Infinix Hot 10 Play. On the front we get a 6.8 inch display, and also we have a water drop notch on this phone. And guys, here is the first port of the Infinix Hot 10 Play, and you can see. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. And here is the notification area of the Infinix Hot 10, and you can see we also have a gaming mode on this phone, because this phone also gives you a gaming chipset. And let me go to the settings. And now let's go to the about phone. And you can see guys, this phone, it is running on Android 10 right out the box. We don't get Android 11 on this phone. And also on this Android 10, it is a Go Edition Android 10. And also we have a 720p display on this phone. Now let's see the internal storage on this phone. And we get a 32 GB of internal storage out of 23.84 GB it is available for you guys, and also we have 2 GB of RAM on this phone. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner of this phone, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also really fast on this phone, and the battery life should be really good on this phone. Now let's go to the display area. We also have a auto brightness feature on this phone, and also we have a dark mode on this phone, and you can see. So guys, now let's look at the camera on this phone. On the back we get dual cameras, and guys, and the main sensor on the back, it is a 13 megapixel, and also we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on this phone. And you can see guys, here is the camera, and here is a bokeh mode on this phone. And now let's go to the video section, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and also we have a slow motion on this phone, which I don't expect on this phone. 13 megapixel, and the quality of this lens, it is pretty good on this phone. It is not the best. Now let's look at the front camera. On the front we get a 8 megapixel selfie camera, and you can see. And now let's see the video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. On the front we also get a flash, and you can see that's a really good thing as well. And on the front we also have a portrait mode, and you can see, which work really good right now, as you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the Infinix Hot 10 Play and the cameras, it is also pretty good on this phone. And also we get a MediaTek Helio G25 chipset, and it is a gaming chipset. I really impressed by the design language of the Infinix Hot 10 Play, and you can see. And guys, also the packet is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 10 Play. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.